Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google form with the photo upload option. It's quick and easy and incredibly useful for collecting images directly from your respondents. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to the Google Forms, open your web browser and go to forms.google.com. Make sure you're logged in into your Google account. Once you're in the Google Forms homepage, click on the big plus icon to start a new form. Now give your form a title and description. This will help your respondents know that the form is about. Next, let's add some question. Click on the untitled question to start creating your first question. You can choose different type of questions like multiple choice, short answer, and more. Next, let's add some questions. Click on the untitled question to start creating your first question. You can choose different types of questions. Now, let's add the photo upload option. Click on the drop down menu next to the question type and select File Upload. You'll get a prompt saying that file uploads will be stored in your Google Drive. Click Continue. Now, customize your question. For example, you might ask, please upload a photo of your ID. You can also specify the type of files allowed and the minimum file size. Let's go to the forms settings to adjust a few more options. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you can choose whether to collect email addresses, limit to one response, and more. Make sure to make the options that suit your needs. Now let's preview our form to see how it looks. Click on the icon at the top right to see the form as your respondents will. Looks great. If everything is set, click on the send button. You can send it via email, share the link, or even embed it onto your website. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google form with the photo upload option. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.